Strong upside pressure was seen in the gold USD price, but a buy-side liquidity sweep and an immediate rebound could lower the price this week. The buying pressure in the gold USD price is still potent as the current price is trading above the 1950 key support level, which is also confluent support from the 50-day simple moving average. As a result, the buying momentum can extend if the gold USD shows a stable momentum above this critical support level. In that case, the bullish continuation pattern may extend toward the 1980 and 2000 levels. The current 14-period relative strength index shows a bearish pressure by moving below the 50.00 line in the daily chart. It is a suggestion that bulls have lost momentum, and the price is ready to initiate a bearish trend.